Greetings, crafty friends, and welcome to the Popcorn Mini Release Video Hop. I'm Shannon with the Kat Scrappiness Creative Crew. If you'd like to participate in the video hop, simply click the link provided in the description box below the video, and you can view all of the videos from our creative crew. Plus, one lucky hopper will win a $15 gift card from the Kat Scrappiness store. To be eligible, make sure you subscribe to the Kat Scrappiness newsletter, then fill out the Rafflecopter entry form. You can complete the Rafflecopter entry form for each stop along the hop for more chances to win. While you're hopping, remember to give those videos a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of that content. Your support truly means the world to us. All the necessary links, including the Creative Crew Hop List, Kat Scrappiness newsletter subscription, and the Rafflecopter entry forms are conveniently located in the description box below this video. Now let's get started. We're going to create a popcorn box gift tag using the popcorn box shaker die set from Kat Scrappiness. That's what I have here. And I've already created one of the tags as an example, and this tag opens up. I have stamped the to and the from, and that is from the owl envelope art stamp set, and I've punched up with a hole puncher in the top so that I could string a little bit of twine, and so this can either be popped up like a card or tied. What I intend to do with it is tie it on a little movie bundle of popcorn and maybe a video. Not many people use videos anymore, but you know, some of us old fogies still use DVDs. But I was thinking of something for maybe Christmas or a birthday. I could use this as a gift tag for a little treat basket. Anyways, so that is what we'll be making today. What I've done is I've cut two of the base piece and one of the layer pieces that is the bucket and the stripes that go on the bucket. And I've colored these ahead of time. And all of the popcorn layers here. Also a little label and the word popcorn. And all of the little popcorn kernels. Some of them are all attached and some of them are single popcorns. I popped them up on foam, so we're just going to adhere all of this together. So I'll let you listen to music as I put this all together. guess I didn't think this through all the way. I'm going to end up with glue on my string. Try to pull that through without getting in the glue. There we go. Line that up. The one in front. Give it a squeeze. And I'll tie this one in a knot at the top. And cut away this excess. There we go. The glue hasn't set up yet. There are my 2 popcorn tags. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.